Ballet class combination Jacklyn Dougherty and Dr. Joni Dougherty. Rond de jambe et terre. Step 1. From first position. Step 2. Simultaneously execute demi-plie on a supporting leg. Extend working foot, toe, keeping contact with the floor, two pointed straight forward. Step number 3, simultaneously straighten supporting leg and execute quarter circle to second position with toes of working foot on floor. Step number 4, second position with pointed toes of the extended leg, a quarter circle to back, move working foot in a straight line to pointed forward, lowering the heel to passing through first position. Continue circle movement with pointed toes from front to back, passing each time through first position. Step 5, finish in first position.